Today, we'll learn simple, practical ways to improve English grammar for fluent speaking.
And we'll show quick exercises, common mistakes to avoid, and how to practice naturally every day.
Start by noticing the grammar you hear in real speech. Phrases, verb patterns, and short chunks people repeat.
Focus on chunks rather than isolated rules. Learn I have to, used to, going to as units you can copy.
Practice shadowing. Listen to a short sentence. Pause and repeat it exactly as you hear it to train rhythm and structure.
Record yourself repeating sentences and compare. This helps you spot missing articles, wrong verb forms, or awkward word order.
Use easy, high-frequency verbs first. Be, have, do, make, go. And learn common collocations with them.
Make simple substitutions in a model sentence to practice different tenses and pronouns without inventing new structures.
When learning a tense, attach a small set of signal words to it rather than memorizing abstract rules.
For example, link present perfect with already, yet, just. Link past simple with specific time expressions like yesterday.
Work on subject-verb agreement with short exercises. Pick a subject and try verbs in singular and plural forms aloud.
Practice question formation by turning statements into questions. This builds the grammar patterns that speakers use naturally.
Don't aim for perfection in every sentence. Focus on clarity and communication, then refine specific mistakes later.
Keep a small notebook of repeated errors. When the same error appears 3 times, make it a mini lesson to fix.
Learn articles in context. Pair nouns with a, an, the, and say the full noun phrase out loud to feel the difference.
Prepositions are often tricky. Learn them as part of verbs and phrases. For example, interested in, look for, depend on.
Use short role plays that mimic real situations. Ordering food, asking for directions, making small talk. This builds usable grammar.
Try 5 one-minute drills per day. A tense drill, an article drill, preposition pairs, subject-verb agreement, and question practice.
When correcting yourself, isolate the sentence, rephrase it correctly, and repeat the correct version 3 times.
Work with fixed expressions and sentence frames like, I think that, would you mind, what about, to gain confidence.
Pay attention to common linking words and but so because. Practice using them to connect ideas naturally.
To practice tenses in speech, tell short stories about your day using past, describe plans using future forms, and summarize facts in present.
If you get stuck, simplify. Use a shorter sentence with correct grammar rather than a long sentence with many mistakes.
Get feedback from a partner or teacher, but choose 1 or 2 things to correct each session so you don't feel overwhelmed.
Use graded readers or simple news articles to see grammar and context. Then read passages aloud and notice sentence structure.
Set tiny daily goals. 1 new collocation, 3 past tense sentences, or 5 questions you can ask in conversation.
Practice connecting sounds and contractions to sound natural. I am, I'm, do not, don't. but keep grammar correct.
Keep a short list of transition phrases for conversations. Actually, by the way, that reminds me, and practice using them.
Make error correction part of routine. Identify one error type each week and gather examples from your speech to correct.
Use apps and recordings to build exposure, but always practice speaking aloud. Listening alone won't change speaking accuracy much.
Play slow, focused shadowing. Repeat sentences at natural speed. Then gradually increase speed until it feels comfortable.
Build a toolkit of short, reliable sentence structures you can rely on when speaking spontaneously.
Over time, move from repeating sentences to creating your own sentences with the same patterns until they feel automatic.
Celebrate small wins. A correct question in a conversation, a smoother past tense story, or cleaner subject-verb agreement.
Be patient and consistent. Fluency and grammatical accuracy grow from daily practice and small improvements stacked over time.
Try to sprinkle grammar practice into daily routines. Narrate what you do aloud during chores, summarize a short video in 1 or 2 sentences, shadow a line from a podcast on your commute, and turn each mistake into a focused lesson. Small, consistent habits practiced daily will beat long, sporadic study sessions and build real speaking confidence.
Make learning enjoyable. Play simple grammar games with friends, join short conversation clubs, mimic phrases from songs or films, and keep a progress list so you celebrate improvements. This keeps motivation high and makes grammar feel useful rather than abstract.
Today, we covered practical strategies, drills, and how to practice grammar in real speech to become a fluent speaker.
What we learned: notice chunks, shadow, practice specific drills, fix repeated errors, use collocations and simple sentence frames for fluent speaking.
Thanks for watching Grammar with Altaf. Practice a little every day and you'll see steady improvement.
Keep practicing 5 minutes daily and watch your speaking become steadily clearer, more confident today.